Who takes the last shot? Willie Miller, Red Bull, or Paulie, rain or shine?
Willie Miller siguro.
Okay.
Ang ano ko kasi, si Paul, mas ano si Paul eh. Mas open siya to decoy.
Okay.
Si Willie, malakas ang loob talaga. Huwag siya, itira niya. So sa ano niya na, si Paul, if you ask him to take the last shot, he will. But if you ask him to decoy, he will look for his open teammates. Pero si Willie, basta sabihan mo lang, sa'yo ang bola, diskartehan mo yan. Willie can easily
Shot creator.
create his own shot.
Who do you entrust to take the 3-point shot or 4-point shot? Si Larry Fonasher, Red Bull, or Jeff Chan, rain or shine, or your current shooters today?
Larry Fonasher or Jeff Chan? Ang hirap
Bilisan mo, coach.
Slide siguro si Jeff.
Nagilas kasi. Hindi, pares naman sila nagilas eh.
Oh, parehas naman sila naggilas. Parang mas mahiyain kasi si
Larry, coach.
si Larry.
Okay.
Mas makapal mukha ni Jeff siguro pagdating sa ganun.
Okay. Sino ang pinaka nag-embody sa enforcer tag coach sa team mo? All time. Sino ang pinaka-enforcer na siya yung gusto mo nasa likod mo?
Rudy Distrito.
Uy. Siya na coach? Na handle?
Swift.
Oh, okay.
Sa amin nag-retire si Rudy. So, naging player ko pa si Rudy.
Okay. Sige, final 3 questions na lang. What's harder? Coaching or being a father?
Coaching. Being a father comes naturally. No?
What's harder? Coaching or being a husband?
Being a husband.
Okay.
Coaching comes naturally.
Baliktad naman. Okay. And last, who's the real boss? Ito, related to who's the real boss? Raymond Yu and Tereke or Jenny Giao?
Jenny Giao. Boss for life mo yun.
Yan. Good answer.